Hello everyone, myself Gayatri Bajpayee. In this video we will learn the combination of error. Generally this type of the question asked in a competitive exam like IIT JEE, GATE or any other type of the entrance exam, and generally we are having very less time to solve that. So there is only two rules to solve this type of the question. One rule for addition and subtraction, another rule for division and multiplication. And if you are having some power of these physical quantities, then just you have to multiply that power. And don't be confused, that will be valid for any type of the combination. If you are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and having power everything in one combination, then also you can do it. So okay, let's start with some example. Here again I have taken one problem in which we are multiplying these two physical quantities and physical quantities having power, but here I will not derive. Here I am showing just when it's this type of the problem comes in examination, how can you solve directly. So we know the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, that we know. So radius is equals to 50 mm plus minus 0.5 mm error, and height is 150 mm plus minus 0.6 mm is error. So here we are having two physical quantities. So what will be the delta V by V? Simply 2 times of delta R by R plus minus delta H by H. So we are multiplying this power, and here simply we are adding this relative error. So what will be this? So 2 times of delta R is 0.5 mm, 0.5 divided by 50 and plus minus here 0.6 divided by 150. So this will be how much? This will be 1 by 50. 1 by 50 plus minus of this, all things in plus minus. So this is 0.6 by 150. So this will equals to 0.024. So this is your error. So now you have to find if absolute error. So you have to just multiply the volume. So delta V is equals to how much? You have to multiply the volume, 0.024 into pi r square h. We know the r value, r is 50 mm. So whole square into h is 150 mm. So everything will come in mm. So this will become 28.27. Yeah, 28.27 mm cube. So V plus minus delta V equals to how much? That equals to pi into 50 square into 150 plus minus 28.27. So both the things in mm cube. The units are same. So this will be how? So this will be equals to 1178 plus minus 28.27. So this is the value. Okay, but if they are asking only what is the relative error or what is the percentage, so relative error is how much? Relative error is 0.024. So this is your relative error. Okay, generally they are asking up to this level only if this is having some product or division. And what will be the percentage error? So percentage is just you have to multiply with 100, so it is 2.4%. That is your percentage error. This just take 1 minute only to solve if you are doing up to this level. So okay, so here some examples I have shown you, in which I have shown you what will be the happen. So okay, again I want to revise it. Addition and subtraction of two physical quantities. At that time you have to simply add the absolute error. Simply you have to add delta A plus minus delta B, like that, if you are having A and B two physical quantities. Okay, so simply you have to add in both the cases, if it is addition or subtraction. But if you are having multiplication or product and division is there, in that case here this will be the delta Z value. Here the relative error, the delta Z by Z equals to delta A by A plus minus delta B by B. That will be the value. The relative error simply you have to add. But if you are having the power also, some power, like that equation is Z equals to, here equation can be anything, Z equals to A into B, z equals to a by b, like that. It can be like that. But if z equals to a square b or a square divided by b, like this, if this type of the things is there, then delta z by z equals to 2 times of delta a by a. Either this is square if it is cube, so it will be 3 times of delta a by a plus minus of delta b by b, because physical quantities are only 2. So simply there are 2 rules you have to see. If add and subtraction are there, simply you have to add the absolute error. If product and divisions are there, simply you have add the relative errors. And if power is there, then you have to multiply that power only in that relative error, in that particular physical quantity relative error. So okay, so in this video all the things I have given, it can be solved in a minute. So everything now I think it's clear. If you people are having some doubt, you can ask through the comment box. And thank you very much. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And again I will make the video like this. Okay, thank you very much once again.